Hello and welcome to my Python program where I'm going to be showing you how to make an if statement program, an if else, using a flowchart. So before we do that, please remember to like, subscribe and share my videos. It will support me making more because if you like them, I can make more. So first I'm going to introduce you to algorithm. So in programming, an algorithm is a set of instructions that can be used to solve a given problem. So when you're writing algorithms, instructions have to be clear and they have to be in the correct order to produce a solution. These instructions will be the starting point for writing a computer program to solve any given problem. So an algorithm shouldn't be in computer code. It should be presented in a way in which we can use it in different programming languages. So we're going to present algorithms as pseudocode or flowcharts. Pseudocode is writing instructions in plain English. Flowchart is a diagram showing instructions to be carried out in the order they're meant to be carried out. So on your right, you've got pseudocode. So you can see the code is written in plain English. With flowcharts, there's different things you would need to know. So we've got the start and the stop terminals. So these, and then you've got your parallelogram shapes, and you've got your rectangle. So what does all this mean, you ask? Well, I answer. These greens are your stop and starts. So they're done in rounded corners, and they're the terminal. Parallelograms, they're inputs and outputs. So anything that goes into or gets taken out, that goes in a parallelogram block. The rectangle is the process, so they're instructions of what it needs to do. If you see a diamond shape, that's a decision. So it's a yes or no question, which you'll use a lot in conditionals, in conditional statements. If you see a rectangle with two lines towards the end, that's subprogram. And the arrows, they connect boxes and they show the direction you need to follow. Some boxes may have multiple arrows coming in or out of them. So let's get to Python task. So this Python task, so let's get it up, shall we? So this is a task we need to do. We need to create a program from this flowchart. So we got the start. So we have this diagram. So start, that's the start of the program. Num1 is our variable we want, and we want to equal that to int input, ask the user to enter a number. So that's what we want to do. So that's parallelogram 1, input 1. Then we do exactly the same because there's another parallelogram, but we're doing it for num2. Okay, so we're asking the user to enter a number. So then we want answer equals, and in brackets, so we want num1 plus num2, and we want to divide that by 2. The diamond shape, that's your decision. So we want if answer is less than 100. And then you do shift, semicolon to make a colon. Press enter, and then you print the average is, and then we print out the answer. If it's over 100, we do else, colon, enter, and we just print goodbye. So let's run the program and see what happens. So I'm going to enter 23, 104. Take away that, 63.5. So it's printing out the average for us already. if we're going to run it, I'm going to do 204 divide by, and then I'm going to do 100. Just going to print goodbye because the answer is over 100. Let's try another one. Say I'm going to do 204, and I'm going to do, 2, and I'm going to do 4. 5, 6, divided by 2. Okay, which will be 103. Let's say I'm going to do 98, and I'm going to do 104. Add the two together, still goodbye. Okay, I'm going to do 98. I'm going to do, and I'm going to just do 100. Answer's 99. So you can see by doing some different selection of different numbers, you can guess 2 different outputs. Oh, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and I hope to make more videos for you in the coming future. Bye for now.